And there we have it. 11 fit, not 12. Tire's doing okay. So what are you planning on doing with this many of these generators?
Fix them up, installing them all basically, like you were doing?
Only more fixing than I was doing.
Yeah, a little more extensive, I think.
All right. So these are the parts ones. These are all parts. We got 3 that are decent up front, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decent back here, and 6 and more parts. You want them all? Are you coming back again?
Yeah, mine's on it.
Yes. You want this Ryobi one too? I'll throw that in for you. You can have it. It is, there was a burn mark behind the overload on there.
Gotcha.
So that's it. So something electrical just needs to get taken care of.
Okay.
But if you're taking all these, thank you. Now we'll have some space. This is where we're going to put Sam's Club now. No more generators after this weekend. It's a sad, sad day, but 196 of them. I'm kind of excited to get the last 30 whatever-ish out of here. I stuttered. That's great. Here's some of the common problems that Rob and Cliff were showing me. So you can see a bolt broke off on there. This right here, you can see there's a copper ring. There's supposed to be a second copper ring on there, and it cracks, gets stuck in there, causes it not to run. So you can pop that off and put a new copper ring on there. Probably only a few bucks, but it is a decent amount of labor pulling the alternator off and doing all that. It's just more than we want to do here. So we did a couple where we pulled good alternators off and swapped them out on different ones, but we're not going to get this far into it. Like I said, even though it's only a couple bucks, it's just right now it's turning into space and labor. And as you can see, it's all in various stages. And a lot of this damage and stuff was actually caused during transport. Like this one here, the frame is totally out of whack, completely bent. This is probably from us. We had a couple of these that we actually dropped, probably like 4 feet up. Boom. And that's one of them right there. So we messed up some of them ourselves, which is unfortunate, but these things are heavy and we're moving a lot of them around. This is what the inside looks like if you're curious. All different, but got some spare batteries. So thank you for reaching out to me, Chris. Appreciate it. And it is load number 3. They're starting to get a little more 4-partsy. So the first 6 back there were complete, and these back 5 are, these have been ripped apart. These we were taking stuff out of. And then we got just a few more